I want to show you guys unboxing haul from Dollskill. Yeah, Dollskill again. I was like went crazy about Dollskill. I can't stop shopping there. And then this is my second box I got yesterday. So I control myself not to open it up yesterday because I want to open these with you guys in this video. And I got actually different brands from last time, so I really hope I got the right size. If you're interested in this video, please keep watching. Shoo! I think mostly summer clothes. The first one, this purple sweater. Purple sweater. It looks like this. I know it's a bit hot in Japan for like summer. I'm gonna put every clothes link down below so you guys know where to get it. I got this one for medium size and it's really cute. Next thing. This is a little sweater top, but for summer, I guess. I just really like sweater for some reason. So this one you wear like, well, it just looks like a piece of fabric, but it's sexy, you know? And then, oh, you know what? I was shopping on Reformation. I don't know if you guys know that brand. So basically they had a slogan, wear less, save more fabric. I think it's perfect idea of wearing clothes. And then this piece of fabric, the color is sky blue. Recently I really like, not recently, I think when it gets spring season, fall season, just started to wear more like this is also a summer top, so it's kind of confusing to show you guys like when it's not on my body because like it's just like some pieces of fabric, right? Summer clothes, and I'm gonna show you guys later when I put it on. Basically you wear like this. I really like this material they're using. It's very soft and it's not too hot for summer. It's perfect. And then I really like this color. This one I got medium size too. I just don't remember what I got. Black top for summer too. It's just like very, what's that called? I think it's made of cotton, so it's like very soft and it's perfect for summer. I feel like sweater, like what I'm wearing right now, it's more like for fall and winter. But for summer you gotta wear like very so anyways, it's just perfect for summer. Next thing I got, they're all black. I just really like black clothes. Oh, actually I want to tell you guys what I wear today, maybe later. So next thing I got this black shirt for summer, which is like a short black shirt, so you can wear a camisole inside, and then a jeans, high-waist jeans. It's always the perfect with short clothes. So it's just very simple. This is a sweater, but it's like very soft. I'm gonna travel to Thai in in April, so like I think it's perfectly fit with bikini. You just wear a bikini inside. I really like this design. Alright, next thing, it's the same sweater top. It's a different color. It's like the same thing. I really like the material. Oh my god, this one's so cute. Actually, all of these, I like this one best. I really like this color, and also I'm gonna wear it with bikini in summer. And just, it's sweater, but it's not that hot for summer. And this one I got medium size. So last two things, I got two necklaces from them. First thing, I think the color doesn't look like the picture at all. It's like I expected it look more like red, But this one, I don't even know what's this color, like a lot more like a pink. But anyways, the whole design's really cute. It's like a necklace set. Oh, they have 2 silver necklace in this pink with the flower on, which is also really cheap. I really like it. This one. Next one is silver with a little, what's this called, a wing, angel's wing, and then it just looks like this. Really cute. So these are all of the stuff I got from this package, and I want to show you guys what I wear right now. Like this pant, I just can't go that far. Anyways, it's a flare pant that I got from last time, the first box from Dollskill, and I forgot to show you guys. It's actually come with like this, but it's so long. I just can't wear it. So like I got it by myself. So it probably just like looked like a little bit terrible like from bottom, but it's just so comfortable, perfect for summer. And I got this brown color for medium size. It fits so well. I really like it. I'm basically wearing this pant like every single day. It shows my body line really well too. Anyways, these are all the stuff I got from Dollskill. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and comment down below. See you guys next time. Bye!